Hello everyone, my name is Yanu 2510. Today I'm gonna talk about the social inequalities caused by economic inequality. What is economical inequality? Economical inequality refers to a phenomenon in which the gap between the upper and lower classes increase between income and asset levels. According to Marx's theory of class, the social structure consists of substructure, which is economic areas, and superstructure, which are non-economic areas, such as politics and law. He argued that the economic domain determines the other areas because the superstructure is based on the substructure. Finally, it can be interpreted that economic inequality leads to other inequality. Finally, in this presentation, I explain the various social inequality caused by economic inequalities. First is the inequality of education. Education inequality is a deepening difference in education levels between individuals. Main cause is to differences in accessibility to education and differences in private education. Educational accessibility and private education mainly arise from differences in parents' economic levels. Eventually, economic inequality leads to educational inequality between the upper, middle, and lower classes. The difference between the level and amount of education affects the individual's ability, and it leads again to a difference in the type of work, finally resulting in a difference in income level. In other words, the economical level of parents affects the child's education, which in the end has a great influence on the child's economic level. Next is inequalities in health. Health inequality is a difference in health between individuals or groups which occur according to socio-economic positions such as income level, positions, and education levels between individuals. It's called socio-economic inequalities in health. In the case of Korea, the life expectancy of the high-income class was about 6 years longer, and the half-life expectancy was about 11 years longer than of the low-income class. In other words, economic differences lead to health differences. Therefore, socioeconomic inequality must also be considered to resolve health inequality. Last is information inequality. It is the difference in the level of information available to individuals. Recently, numerous information is changed to digitalization. The problem of information inequality has emerged as people who are unfamiliar with digital society felt difficult access to digital information and services. According to a survey in Korea, people enjoy the more digital information when the higher the monthly income and the lower the age group. In other words, it means the more economically advantageous people are, the higher the information accessibilities, and the less economically poor the people are, the less information accessibilities. Conclusion. To eliminate these social inequalities, we need to address the economic inequalities that are the cause. If economic inequality does not disappear, the effect about resolving education, health, and information inequality will be lower, even if the government invests a lot of money in it. Thanks for watching. Bye.